Hello and welcome. I'm Rabi Hassan from Online Money Carrier. In this video, we are going to find the best CPA network to start our work. And wait a moment. If you new in my channel, just subscribe my channel. And if you want to learn CPA marketing, if you want to do CPA marketing, if you want to earn by doing CPA marketing, and if you want to dig money just like this, then just go to my channel's playlist and to learn CPA marketing, watch the CPA marketing A to Z. Yes, in this playlist, actually I'm making the video for this playlist. I'm in this playlist I am already started to teaching that how to do CPA marketing and how to do all the stuffs. So I already published 2 videos, that is what is CPA marketing, and please check this my other videos if you want to learn what is CPA marketing. And it's my second video, and now I'm making the third part of the CPA marketing A to Z series. So in this part we will find the best CPA network to start our work, to start the making money. And for that, what you need, we have to go to search on Google F paying. Okay, let's search F paying. Yes, it's a review of CPA networks, affiliate program, and many other things. Okay, if you want to judge, if you want to compare CPA networks, if you want to one which network is best for you, which you prefer in your country, in your region, or you can find all those things in there. So let's enter on the site. It's fpaying.com. Yeah, before 2013 it's affiliate paying. So okay, there you can find many company, CPA networks, CPA marketing company, all those things. So to start the work, what do you need, you have to choose a perfect CPA network for you. Yes, remember one thing. If suppose this CPA network is perfect for me, then it not going to be perfect for you just because some restriction, you have some country restriction, you have some payment problems, that all things. So but I just suggest, if you want to start CPA marketing, I just suggest you to use, let's see for beginners, search for beginners, actually it's not, it's not for the net for beginners, like if you just okay, first search CPA network for beginners in 2020. Okay, let's see what will happen. Okay, there is 20 websites on CPA network for beginners. Let's see what is this. By the way, I am working on max bounty, but you are if you apply for this, then you will never going to be approved by the manager, just because it's the place for the experts only. So you can't enter directly as a beginner. This it have some problem, I think. So let's try another. Oh, it's the same. If you new my channel, and please subscribe my channel and watch my previous video to learn something good, to earn something good. Wow, it's a poem. Okay, we have to wait some moment. I have a good internet connection. I think the problem is just because the domain, the server using this website, it's a little bad, I think. Okay, just okay, I think there is some problems. Okay, just ignore it, and let's see. Ad vendor, fire ads, CPA lead, ad scanned media, ad work media, Mobi media, CPA grip, CPA trend. Okay, let's see. Ad vendor, I suggest just scroll down and watch the featured networks, and watch the top 10 rated networks. I will suggest you to watch the top 10 rated networks. The first one is AdWork Media, second one is Max Bounty, third one is Ads Main. 707 means they have 707 offers. Max Bounty, I think it's wrong. Let's see. Let's see. Okay. They have 1682 offers. Okay. My some subscribers are told me, sir, don't make long videos. We don't like long videos, so just I'm not going to make long videos again. Let's jump into the point. As a new, use a CPA grip. Okay, let's see what is CPA grip. You will find all CPA networks information in details in affiliate paying. So research long time and find the network which you prefer best. So just because every network have some problems with you. Okay, they have 2000 plus CPA offers, commission CPA, CPL, CPS. Now the questions are, you don't teach it us what is a CPL or CPS. CPA means cost per action, as I already said, and CPL is cost per lead, as I already said what is lead. And CPS, cost per sale. Suppose they have a t-shirt, what you have to sell, and if you sell the product you will get some commission, and it's called CPS. It's very advanced level thing, so I will teach you this thing later, but now for now just you can do CP or CPL. They have minimum payment threshold is $50, which is reliable, and payment frequency in net 30, net 50, net 7, bi-weekly, weekly. That means they payment in 30 days, they payment on half a month, like 15 days they payment in a week, they payment bi-weekly in 2 months, they payment weekly. So payment method: check, PayPal, wire, ACH, direct deposit. Some country don't actually support direct deposit or PayPal or check, so you have to actually uh, see all those things in details. Just because if you work and you just made you just make $50, and now it's time to get the withdraw, and you just withdraw it in PayPal that is actually not supported in your country, then you will never going to get the money. So you have to uh, judge all those things strictly. The referral commission is 5%. Of the referral means the, if you refer your friend, and if your friend just made the money, then you will get some 5% commission lifetime. I will describe it later. There is a huge business on online. So you can, if you have if your area have check supported, then you can use this network as a beginner. If your country support PayPal, I prefer PayPal to get payment, and if your country supports PayPal, then I am just suggest you to use the CPA grip or CPA lead. Actually it's the same. Okay, let's see what is CPA lead. CPA lead and CPA grip are just like brothers, and that's all are same. So you can use CPA grip, CPA lead. CPA lead is these things. You can use all those things. So check all those things perfectly, and just stand with the one network which you prefer most. Okay, then we will talk later. So for now I am suggesting you to join CPA grip and CPA lead, and after joining I will teach you in my next video that how to join okay, not next video. Actually I'm going with some problems on my life, so that's why I'm not um, uploading videos daily. So I just got some time now, and I'm going to upload a video. Let's see, it's 10 minutes. It's already 10 minutes. Okay, I think you will don't mind if I make a lengthy video. Okay, let's join on CPA grip. Let's write on Google, that is CPA grip. Let's click on CPA grip. What you have to do after you come here, just what you have to do, it's login, and you have to scroll down and you have to join. You have to click on join now. Let's click on join CPA grip. It's loading. Okay. Oops. Actually I already have an account with this, so that's why it's autofilling. Okay, you have to give your first name, last name. If you have company, then you have to write the company, but I think you don't have any company, so just skip it. And you have to fill all those things which have the red dot on those you have to click on a website. Now the problem is, sir, we have no website. Okay, just go and grab others one and just write on this. That's it. But write a website which have fancy articles. Okay, you can also write your blogs link also, street address. And please use your information accurately, just because if you fill your form wrongly, then you will never going to get the payment. So you have to mind all those things. After signing all those things, just what is IM service? Use Skype as IM service. In future you will contact to your manager via the Skype. Okay, after filling all those things, just publisher type. Okay, web and content log, email, search, OTP, other. Okay, publisher type, you are just use the web and content log, and fill the forms again, and select your time zone, click on I am not robot, and register. I am not registering just because I already have an account on CPA grip. So if I make a double account on CPA grip, they will they will ban my account, and which I don't want. So that's it. So in my video I just teached you how to find CPA how to find a CPA network which you prefer best, and how to make an account on CPA network. And remember one thing, that is, you have to make an account as a publisher, not as a advertiser. Okay, you have to make a account as a publisher always. So that's it for now, and I'm Rabi Hassan signing off for now. See you in my next video. And if you're new on my channel, if you get any help from my video, then like the video, and if you have any question, then please comment on the comment box. I will definitely help you. And if you're new on my channel, just subscribe my channel, and If you want to earn something good and if you want to learn something good, then it's the right place. So I'm Rabi Hassan signing off for now. See you in my next video. Have a nice day. Bye.